lesson 20. Let's take a few example problems. Check out number 1. It says draw a horizontal number line marked with the even integers from 6 to 6. Sorry, negative 6 to 6. Even integers. So we got horizontal line. Now remember, we're going to have negative and positive. Let's start with our 0 in the middle. And we're going up by just the even numbers. 2, 4, 6. I bet you know what you got to do going down. Negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. Let's get it nice and neat in our answer key. And number 2, write 2 multiplication and 2 division facts for the fact family. Here's from our lesson the other day. 4 times 9 equals 36, and then flip those over. 9 times 6 equals 36. I like to use the division boxes. Biggest number goes in, divided by 6 is 9, and 36 divided by 9 equals 6. Jump to number 4 now. 3 you're on your own. That's easy with the tally marks. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is the diagonal slash. All right, this was Aoka reads 40 pages per day. How many pages does Aoka read in 4 days? Find the answer once by adding, once by multiplying. Well, if you're going to add, it'd be 40 on the first day, 40 on the second day, 40 on the third day, and 40 on the fourth day. If we're going to multiply, it's 4 groups of 40. I'm going to choose the multiplication one. 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 4 is 16. 160. Do I need a label? Yes. This is number 4, so make sure you put it in 4. 160 pages. All right, number 5. Here, this comes from lesson 11, usually missing add-ins. There are 206 students at Gidley School. There are 397 girls. How many boys are there? Girls plus boys equals the total. And we got the total of being 806. And we have the girls is 397, and we have a missing add-in. Whenever we have a missing add-in, we're going to, that's right, subtract. Yeah, cross out the 8, make it a 7. Cross out the 10 and make it a 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 7 minus 3 is 4. 409 boys. So in this school there was a few more boys than there were girls. I'll help you set up 6 and you solve it on your own. It says, what is the sum of 526? 526 and 684. 684. And it said sum, so you're going to add those. Okay, check out number 17. 17 says 8 minutes of music can be placed on a compact disc. How many hours of music can be placed on 3 compact discs? So this is a 2-step problem. We first have to figure out how many minutes are on a compact disc. So if it's an hour, how many minutes is an hour? Hopefully you can remember. It's 60 minutes in an hour. And we have 3 of those. So we're going to multiply. 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 6 is 18. So we have 180 minutes of music. And now each song, 80 minutes of music can be placed on a compact disc. How many hours of music can be placed on 3? And I think I set that one up wrong. 80 minutes of music can be placed on a compact disc. Yeah, my fault. 80 minutes times 3 compact discs, not 60, is 240. Now it asks for hours, and this is where we're going to have to take 240 divided by 60, which goes in there 4 times. If we cross out a 0 on each time. So 4 hours. That one was ridiculously hard for us. We're not that far yet. That's why I solved it as a team. All right, jump to number 28 down at the bottom. It says Rebecca went to the store with $35 and came home with 9. Use this information to write a story problem about separating. Then answer the question to your story problem. Today we're not going to write a story. We got 35. She went there. She bought some items. And then she had $9 left. Missing number in a subtraction problem. First number is missing, we would add. Second, we're still going to subtract. $35 minus the 9 that she had left over will tell us how much was spent. 15 minus 9 is 6. Bring down the 2. She spent $26. Okay. Number 29. Arrange these years in order from the earliest to the latest. So we got 1620 is when the Pilgrims landed. In 1787, George Washington became our president. In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. In 1776, the Declaration of Independence was signed. So if we know our history, we know that Columbus was the first person to discover Americas. So we're going to put him here in 1492. And, well, we got rid of the 14, so we got 16, 17, 17. The next one would be 1620. Now we got 1789 compared to 1776. All right, the Declaration of Independence was signed before we can have a president. So 1776 and then 1789. I'm going to get those nice and neat over my answer key here. 1492, 1620, 1776, and 1789. And the last one we're going to do as a team is number 30. Sydney bought 5 notebooks for $3.52 each. What was the total cost of the 5 notebooks? Change this addition problem to a multiplication problem and find the total. So we're going to multiply. Count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $3.52 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17. $17.60. $17.60. All right, guys. I think we got close to 10 of them done. 4 on the front side, 4 on the back side, 8 of them done. 22's left for your assignment. Check me out on Zoom call if you need any help.